Hello and welcome to our channel, a sanctuary for your spirit and your mind. Today we're exploring the mystical significance of the 1010 portal. What it is, why it matters, and how you can work with its energy to catalyze personal transformation, rapid manifestation, and spiritual awakening. Stay with me as we unpack the meaning behind this high-vibration date and unlock step-by-step practices for activating the true magic of the October 10th portal in your ordinary life. If you're ready to unlock your highest timeline, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's step through the portal together. Let's anchor ourselves first. What exactly is the 1010 portal? Where does this concept originate, and why do spiritual communities around the world give it so much attention? First, in the realm of spirituality, portal dates are specific days of the calendar formed by repeating numbers, such as October 10th, November 11th, or December 12th. These alignments are believed to amplify vibrational energies, acting as portals for collective and personal transformation. The 1010 portal, in particular, is seen as a powerful doorway for alignment, manifestation, and spiritual rebirth. It's called a portal because many believe the veil between our physical world and the higher, spiritual realms becomes thinner, allowing for a clearer and more potent connection to divine source energy. To truly grasp its power, we need to look at the language of the universe, numerology. In numerology, 10 is the number of divine order, new beginnings, and manifestation. The number 1 is the number of inception. It represents new beginnings, raw creation, taking the initiative, and stepping into leadership of your own life. It's that first spark of an idea, the courage to start a new path. Now, combine that with the number 0. In numerology, 0 is not nothing. It is everything. It represents the divine source, infinite potential, wholeness, and the void from which all creation emerges. It's a symbol of eternity and amplification. When you see the number 0, think of limitless possibilities. So, the number 10 is a sacred combination. It signifies a divine new beginning, a chance to start fresh from a place of infinite potential and wholeness. And on October 10th, written as October 10th, we have a double activation of this energy. When it doubles, 10 tenths, its power squares, this is a cosmic green light from the universe. It's a master number day that amplifies our manifesting power exponentially, urging us to plant seeds for a future that is in perfect alignment with our soul's purpose. But the magic doesn't stop with numerology. We also have the astrological influence of Libra, the sign the sun is traveling through during this time. Libra, ruled by Venus, is all about balance, harmony, beauty, and partnership. This celestial energy asks us, are your relationships in balance? Is there harmony between your inner and outer world? Are you creating a life that is not only successful but also beautiful and fulfilling? The 1010 portal, therefore, becomes the perfect time to manifest not just things, but a life of divine balance and meaningful connection. The Tarot's 10th card is the Wheel of Fortune, symbolizing destiny aligning in your favor. The Mayans saw October 10th as a day when the veil between worlds thinned. The Egyptians linked it to the 10th hour of the Duat, the underworld journey of the soul. Even in Kabbalah, The 10th Sapphira, Maketh, represents earthly manifestation, meaning 10/10 is a bridge between spirit and matter. Energetically, many healers and spiritual teachers describe the 10/10 portal as a time when the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds becomes thinner. This thinning allows for downloads of insight, quantum shifts, and powerful healing as millions tune into similar frequencies, much as Dr. Joe Dispenza and Greg Braden note about collective meditation and focus. While modern numerology highlights the 10/10 portal, ancient cultures also honored certain days where cosmic energies were peaked. Think of the Egyptian epigomenal days, or Mayan days out of time, and even astrological alignments honored around the globe. These traditions teach us to use time intentionally and harness opportunities for rebirth. Now that we understand the immense potential of this day, the most important question is, how do we practically work with this energy? Let's move into the actionable heart of the video with step-by-step guidance and practices. Preparation is everything. As you approach October 10th, clear your physical space, declutter, cleanse with sage or incense, and set up a sacred altar with items that represent your dreams or spiritual goals. 1. Make a 10 out of 10 manifestation list. Write your intentions for this portal on a piece of paper and place them on this altar. Before October 10th, write 10 desires, but phrase them as if they're already true, e.g., I am so grateful for my $10,000 bonus. Burn this list at 10:10 p.m. to release it to the universe. 2. Do a portal meditation. On the day of the portal, spend time in meditation. Visualize the 10/10 portal as a glowing doorway of light before you. Breathe deeply, and with each inhale, welcome new beginnings. With each exhale, release what no longer serves you. Imagine stepping through this energetic gateway, feeling shifted, lighter, and connected to infinite possibilities. You may receive visions, hear messages, or feel a sudden energy surge. 3. Do the twin flame connection ritual. If you're seeking a soulmate on October 10th, wear rose quartz or pink clothing. Say aloud, I call in my divine counterpart with harm to none. Many meet their twin flame within 10 days of this ritual. 4. Do the 10 out of 10 money magnet technique. Harness the law of intention. After meditation, take your written intentions and state them aloud with conviction, as if they are already real. Shake it 10 times at 10:10, saying, abundance flows to me effortlessly. Imagine energy connecting from your heart to the portal on your altar, infusing your desires with the amplified energy of October 10th. Light a candle to symbolize the activation of your new timeline. 5. Pull the reality shift trigger. To jump timelines at 10:10, stare into a mirror for 1 minute. Whisper, I now enter my highest reality. Then, turn off all lights and reset your environment. Many experience glitches or déjà vu after this. 6. Journaling and gratitude. Keep a dedicated portal journal for synchronicities and insights that arrive around October 10th. Write each morning and evening about what you're grateful for, what breakthroughs you're experiencing, and what signs or guidance you're noticing. As Abraham Hicks and other channelers teach, gratitude multiplies miracles and aligns you with portal energy. Why do these steps make such a difference? Science shows that intention, meditation, and group coherence have profound impacts on brainwaves and even the electromagnetic field surrounding us. Portal dates are focal points, timelines when collective attention combines with cosmic patterns to open new possibilities, both seen and unseen. Don't forget to celebrate and anchor your breakthroughs. At the close of October 10th, thank the energies and your higher self for what has shifted, even if changes are subtle. Create an anchor. This could be a small stone, an affirmation card, or a candle you light regularly to remind you of your portal intentions. Open yourself to synchronicity, visions, dreams, encounters, or even unexpected opportunities may arise in the days following the portal. You don't have to be perfect or even believe everything the same way as others to benefit from the portal. Even one act of conscious presence on October 10th plants a powerful seed. Spirituality is about showing up to possibility. Choose the practices that resonate and let the rest be a grand experiment with the universe. The 1010 portal is one of the most potent times of the year for manifestation, spiritual alignment, and reality shifting. The 1010 portal isn't just a date, it's a divine invitation. Whether you're manifesting love, abundance, or a reality shift, this is your cosmic moment to align with your destiny. Mark your calendar for October 10th. Try at least one ritual from this video, then come back and comment your results. I've seen people manifest dream jobs, healing miracles, and even reunions with departed loved ones on this day. If this resonated, hit like. It tells YouTube this content is life-changing. Subscribe for more portal secrets. Next up, November 11th. And share below. What's your number one goal for 10 out of 10? Take this sacred opportunity to rewrite your story, to reflect, release, and receive the next level of your evolution.